Maybe it's on. Something sounds like it's coming from the back end of it.
Because I'll send this to Paula.